we're recording. Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, back in another video, back in a review. And I'm just gonna say we're back. I don't even want to know. Like, I was looking at old videos and I was like, I can do this again. But yeah, this is going to be a part 1 of 3. Hopefully, we will get all 3 items soon, but I'm just going to do a part 1 of 3 of my Wish haul. I decided to go ahead and, save some coin and get some stuff off Wish. And this is part 1 of 3. So if you like some more of this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share things where we share cool stuff, okay? Alright, so these are some nails that I got from Wish. These beautiful nude colored nails. Very, 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 very size. These are 100 pieces. And I think I got these for under $1. Oh, my phone's here. Alright, so let me check out this price and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my phone out and the nails were, they were known as 100-piece full cover nail, false nails. They were 95 cents and the shipping was $2. They came in a variety of colors, but they didn't tell me the selection of colors, just said the number. But I guess these are like a nice little nude color because there's also a hot pink holographic one, and there's black, there's red, there's like a little bit of a gray and a light blue. But there were over 8 colors to choose from, and these are stiletto nails. I'm actually going to show you guys. It's crazy because these actually sold out. I'm going to show you the picture. I'm sorry about my camera, you guys, but that's how much they were costing. So they were $8 and they went to like 83 cents, and then it was $2 shipping. But I'm going to show you what the nails look like. These are all the nails. These are all the colors. Zoom out a little bit more. I'm actually going to turn the brightness down so you guys can see better. Yeah. Move up, girl. Yeah. Okay, hold on. No, you don't see it? Hold on. I know you see it a little bit. Oh, hold up. Try and be a good reviewer. There we go. So these are the color of the nails. There's red, there's black, holographic. This bright color here, it's like holographic hot pink, and then you got this little light baby pink, and then you got these new color, which is the ones I picked, and then you got these like light blues and kind of like an off blue, a little bit gray, and it's like a blue grayish color. And these were like 95 cents for me at the time. But it's now down to 83 cents and they're officially sold out. So these are definitely a good deal. And these are probably a good item seller. Now this was an add-on item. The reason why I say this is a part 1, but this was an add-on item. I had to buy 2 other items to get to get these. But I'm just gonna pull out one of these. The packaging I know is horrible. But it's plastic, so yeah. So I'm gonna pull out one of the nails, show you the nail up front. This is a very nice color. I love the nude color. I'm a sucker for nudes. Well, not the nudes that y'all thinking, but I'm a sucker for this color because it's almost like a beige color, and I like how it looks. It really looks nice on my skin. Wait, which nail is it? Yeah, it's probably. It looks nice on my skin, and it definitely looks like a true color. I love how smooth this is. A smooth texture. It's not like too. It doesn't look cheap, even though it came at a cheap price. It doesn't look cheap at all. I love the overall look of it. The shape of it is amazing, and y'all know I'm a sucker for length, so the length is pretty good. As far as packaging goes, I mean, you can kind of tell. I flew about a little away, and my uncle went and took the trash out. So bottom of the nail is pretty much gone. But you can kind of tell the packaging is not up to par. The packaging is plastic for the nails, but it keeps the nails in there really good. But you can actually feel. You know what I mean? You can actually feel the packages. You can actually see one poking out. And you know, plastic is somewhat easy tear. It's easily tearable and flammable. So you gotta be careful with some of these. But I've been wanting these nails for quite a while because I haven't had more nails since the pandemic has started, and you know, I hadn't had a feel for wearing nails in a while. Just like, you know, let my nails breathe and all that stuff and things like that. Overall, the nails are great, but I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 just because of the packaging. I'm not a huge fan of it. If you remember, I did a review on, and I finally prepared you guys. Like, I've never prepared for my videos. Oh shoot! I did a review, and I'm trying to keep this under 15 minutes. But I did a review on these package sealers, and y'all know that when I did a review on these, the packaging was not as good. The boat mailer was nice, but the overall inside packaging for these two items, like the whole entire box was bent. But other than that, it was cool. Like, it was whatever. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please share the video. You share cool stuff. Click the notification bell. Be notified of all my videos. Once again, this is part 1 of 3. So I'm thinking about possibly doing another part and things like that. It's officially midnight, so this video might be up in the morning. But anyway, I will see you all next time. Bye.